he's sending a request on Instagram to my wife. But ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ my lord, he cannot make my lord these kind of development.
Every day something new is coming. Kindly, my lord, protect me. This is all that I ask.
All these fancy cars on a weekend go to Madikeri and other places.
So you follow them?
No. The squad is squad is constituted with a team of 5 to intercept vehicles and find out whether tax or other things are in order.
Are being made.
Admit your guilt.
Let it be. Let it be on record.
Why he should be afraid of the investigation?
You should be afraid of departmental inquiry. Senior IM's wife was in car
Detailing industry. She was in car detailing industry.
I'm not concerned about the car being Lamborghini or car being Maruti. The thing is that a person who is not authorized in law, except in accordance with law to search and seize, cannot do this.
ಅವರು ಬೈ ನೇಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ as it is there in the cost title.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
My work is made light.
or the other way around, we don't know. Yes.
And after the previous date of hearing, my lord, lordship had gracious to grant, my lord, the interim order, and at the behest of my lord, the submission made by my learned friend, the lordship limited it to the petitioner.
No,
on
he
the
was,
premise.
the learned SPP was telling that his integrity is unquestionable.
Yes, my lord,
He's a very efficient officer.
I have.
So if such officers have committed in the josh of things, then we may not. That's the only thing. But ಈಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು.
Kindly take my reply.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇದು ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು. ಸೊ PF ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 497 503 only for stolen article.
Yes.
All right, this is not stolen. You have taken it away unauthorizedly.
Right.
All right, no 55 comply ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. It's not an issue. Let me not go against this man whom you vouch to be honest.
Lord, I shall, yes.
That's the only thing.
Yes.
Only
He's part
because
of
of
the
you, only because you will keep quiet and you saying that he is honest.
He has recovered so much, Lord, for the government. He's part of all the squads that go
see,
on
I'll tell you,
interception.
We will not trouble officers
Yes.
unless he must have done it in his
No, nothing.
josh to do it. Ashte.
Yes, he has.
But he has done it nonetheless. He has to now, this should be.
My lord, 55 is not applicable, my lord, in my humble submission. Lord, this is proceedings under Karnataka motor vehicles taxation rules, and therefore he has power to search and the power of
The whole
search.
problem is, I tell you, he is himself the complainant.
No, that is for the crime which is registered by the police.
He has not done under those proceedings.
No.
Registration of the crime, he himself has gone. Why did he want to do that?
He was part of the squad.
Part of the squad ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇವರೇ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೋದಾ?
Illala.
ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ವಾ?
Part of the squad, the registration of the crime was for the offense for him coming in the way of discharge of duty and fabrication of the documents alone.
ಈಗ
Not otherwise.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
Yes, Lord.
Now, he is also in the place of a victim. He doesn't know what has happened. The showroom has sold it to him. He has paid money and taken it.
I'll briefly explain. I will take 15 minutes, that's all, not more than that.
That after learned SPP said on the last occasion that action will be taken against all erring officials.
Yes.
ಅದು
All that they have done. All that they have done is prepare more documents and put me with more documents. Thump me with more
ಅದೇನ್
documents.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇಲೆ documents ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, stay was only
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. You are undertaking before the court, you execute. You bring in all the RTOs who have erred.
It will strengthen if your lordship passes an order in that regard. It will strengthen our
You
case.
have undertaken. I will only
we
say
will.
you should abide by your undertaking.
Yes, we will do that. Lord, it will also strengthen if your lordship passes a reference with regard to that effect.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ RTO ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಒಬ್ರು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಇಂದ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್
ಅವ್ರ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೇಮ್ ಇಬ್ರೇ ಇದ್ರ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Kindly take the Lord synopsis that I have furnished, Lord. So I'm sorry.
What synopsis?
The history that my learned friend mentioned has a history, as he said. Lord, this car, your lordship gets the synopsis, Lord.
I am not,
briefly take
no
your
synopsis sir here.
I will only refer to those documents.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ synopsis?
May I request your lordship. to
ನೀವು
take-
synopsis
15,
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
12,
Take up my reply.
only dates I'll give.
All documents.
Wait, sir.
Take up my.
SPP is here, wait, sir. Yes.
Your lordship may not even look into the documents. I will, in a chronological order, would refer to all those documents without really reference. Not on 15/12/2025, Lord, this car was intercepted in Madikeri as part of 12 cars that were intercepted. Then, Lord, he was asked to furnish documents, he would not furnish. Lord, then he was asked to be taken to the police station, which he refuses. He says, from Madikeri, I am en route to Bangalore. So you take me to Hunsur police station. So therefore, as motor vehicle inspector accompanied him in the car, he drove the car.
ಯಾರು? Same person?
The petitioner's son. Petitioner, not R2, not R2.
sorry.
He was part of the squad
Correct.
because he is the main who can, my lord, be a strong for. My lord, inspector accompanied him. They would reach, when about to reach Hunsur police station, my lord, he would complain of chest pain.
Who?
The petitioner's son.
Sorry.
All this part of the record.
Which record? I don't know. Learned SPP is deposing. But I don't know. There is a complaint which does not refer to any of this.
My lord,
ಹೇಳಿ.
then
Listen to the story. Why?
then he would, the inspector, out of fear, would get out of the car to fetch water.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಇವ್ರು
Because he was complaining of chest pain. My lord, then he would vanish with the car.
chest pain vanished or he vanished?
He vanished with the car.
Oh.
With the car. Lord, that was reported to Hunsur ARTO. Lord, it is part of the record which is Annexure A, document number 1 and 2. Lord, then thereafter, it was reported, it is on record, which I placed before your lordship. On 12/12/2025, this happened on 15/12/2025. Based on a squad which was constituted 3 days prior to this interception, that he would escape. Thereafter, my lord, on 23/12/2025, there is a complaint to the RTO about this particular car having been temporarily registered and without valid any other documents being run on the road. Based on the complaint, my lord, we write to the dealer, which is Hoysala. Lamborghini, Hoysala. We write to them seeking information. My lord, he would furnish information saying that I have sold this car only in the year 2022 and thereafter I have not sold. The documents that the additional commissioner would seek clarification from Lamborghini would say these are all fabricated. We have not sold anything in 2025. Part of, my lord, I have placed it before your lordship. My lord, kindly see page 8 and 9. Reply letter to the additional commissioner for transport from Lamborghini.
From Hoysala, is it?
From Hoysala, the dealer. Lamborghini
Vehicle
dealer.
was used as a demo car and subsequently sold by us after a period of 15 months on 1st June 2022 to one Harsha Infra Cons. So, and so copies of the invoice. With regard to the invoice, 1st September, said that said invoice not been issued by same appears to be fabricated and for does not pertain to our records or transactions.
Yes. Kindly turn to the next page, my lord. He would also admit that it was to be invoiced at 4 crores, but then it was invoiced at a lesser price. Because this, he would commit his mistake, he would admit, because we write to Delhi also. So there's some reference to Delhi, so therefore he would say the value of the car would be 4 crores. 4 crores and odd. 4 crores 49 lakhs.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವ್ರದ್ದು forgery ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, my lord. After this, my lord, there is a squad constituted by the additional joint commissioner to search and seizure. My lord, that, my lord, your lordship finds that.
Correct, page 11.
Page 11. Page 11. This man was part of the squad, headed by ARTO.
When did the vehicle end in seizure?
My lord, on 7/2/2026 at 5 o'clock, we go to the place.
No,
My
thing
lord,
is,
eight, on eight.
how did you enter the house?
Based on the strength of the search and seizure powers that are available under motor vehicle.
Where, Kodi?
What they do in the year 2025, they take the entire copy and tamper only the date so as to save that 60 lakhs. They
So,
would
ಅದು 1/6/2025 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
ಅದನ್ನ 1/6/2025 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ 1/9/10 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇದು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್.
One moment.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ itself. ಆದ್ರೆ 1/9/2025 everything else remains the same.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ. ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಅದು ಅದು connivance.
RTO ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Conspiracy.
ನೀವು ಇರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಇದ್ರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Tax
is it not with the connivance of the RTO
Connivance,
officials?
Lord, I am not for a moment saying that he has not connived. Our officers have not connived. They have connived. They have removed it from the portal. A portal iddidre
So
register.
portal removal is an offense.
Yes.
You can't do that.
Yes,
It's not merely a departmental offense, it's a criminal offense.
yes,
How can you erase the portal and then
Yes.
create something new?
yes, yes. I will furnish the names, Your Lordship may refer to the pass orders.
Hmm.
Now, once a vehicle is registered temporarily, Lord, it can only be registered for a period of 30 days.
Correct.
Not thereafter. It cannot be extended. Then the penalty, Lord, would continue to be imposed from day one at the rate of 1% for calendar month,
ಆಯ್ತು,
which amounts to about 30-35 lakhs for 3 years.
ಆಯ್ತು.
And penalty added to that would amount to 60 lakhs. To avoid that, they tamper this and register. That's all the cases.
But the office of the RTO is
Two
definitely
officers,
responsible here.
two officers.
Who are they?
Yes, my lord, I will furnish the names.
Furnish the
Furnish
names.
This man, my lord, he is part of all the
Oh,
squads. He
they-
has recovered so many cars.
Day before yesterday, the moment you told, yes,
Yes,
this is.
my lord. I'm grateful, my lord. Your
yes,
lordship has
that-
taken my word.
That's the only thing, yes. But for you, he would have had it.
My lord, it is for him to defend as to how
Yes,
search and
sir.
seizure.
Now the ball is in your
Yes.
court. Tell me.
That the simplest of not any logical solution in this. That 1/9/2025 an invoice is given to me by the dealer. 1/6/2022 an invoice is given to them by the dealer, to the investigating officer or the complainant who are. But who is benefiting my lord from the, why would I my lord forge the documents? That I am placing my lord these documents where my lord invoice is sent to me by the dealer.
His signature is found in form number 20. His signature is found. My lord, kindly turn to page 31, my lord.
Page?
31, 35 begins at 31. For H1 care, car care, his signature is found at page 35. This is the application by him.
One moment. 35,
31, my lord, starts from 31,
Yavudralli?
form 20.
31.
Yes, my lord, form 20.
In the petition, is it?
No, my synopsis, my lord, I'm sorry,
synopsis.
I'm sorry.
Form 20.
Form 20, kindly see page 35, my lord. His signature is found at the bottom. For H1 car care, he has to submit application for registration.
ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
Madidar. ಅದನ್ನ
ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ,
we are
ಅದು
not
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
denying
ಅಂತ
that.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
This application we are not denying, but because we submitted application, we have received the registration also.
Correct.
Kindly now see.
So,
Lord.
one thing is,
Yes.
on the earlier occasion, you said you are not aware. It is the dealer who has sent it for
Yes,
registration.
yes, yes,
I am not aware of anything.
yes,
So one layer is gone.
yes.
You have signed on this, you are aware because of your signature and your application, the registration is changed, correct?
Yes.
So. you
Changed
are-
Allah.
Huh?
Registration is made.
Yeah, sorry, registration is made, all right, registration is made.
Yes.
Now you cannot feign ignorance that the dealer has sent it, I don't know what has happened.
Dealer has,
Dealer has sent the documents to registration.
yes.
Hoysala has sent it, and I am not aware because it is between the dealer and the RTO. ಅಂತ ನೀವು last time ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
Yes, it is, my lord. All the documents, Lord, what is sought to be said to be forged is the invoice dated 1/9/25, which I have received from the dealer. Lord, kindly pass on.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ.
Court officer. I have been following up with the dealers, Lord, WhatsApp chats I have placed on record. Lord, who benefits, Lord, from non-registration between 22 to 25? It is only the dealer or the
Only the
earlier one?
dealer, only the dealer.
Or the earlier?
RTO for extraneous
And I have
consideration.
purchased it only in 25. Lord, starts with page 37 onwards. I am sorry, not 37. 22.
ಅವರೇ,
ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ
you-
ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ?
No, no, but you can, the dealer also may have washed off his hands.
No, no,
by
but
doing
he
all
is the
this.
beneficiary of that amount. He is the
He is the
beneficiary.
beneficiary of the registration.
No, of the amount of 60 lakhs. Otherwise, he had to pay 60 lakhs.
How is he responsible?
Penalty, that
Lord, I'll
penalty.
show, my lord, I'll show. Kindly permit. me.
Yes, yes.
Just 5 minutes. I'll show. Lord, this WhatsApp chats have placed.
Ah.
Lord, I've been following up with the representative of the dealer for the invoice for making payment right from August 2025. Starts at page 24 onwards.
ಹೇಳಿ.
I am the one who has been, the green colored ones, your lordship will see is the petitioner's, then page 25, hi brother, please update. He told to wait brother, so waiting for him to call me. This is all, my lord. For in preparation for the registration and the invoice. Then page 26, any update? Good morning brother. Okay.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಓದ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Allah, invoice, kindly come to the relevant invoice.
Good evening,
Page
hello.
27.
Yes.
Not all black
Page
transaction.
27.
3 ಕೋಟಿ black transaction. Let them show the bill for having transaction.
27.
paid.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Well, kindly for a moment.
ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬೈತಾರೆ.
Page 27. This invoice is sent to
ತುಂಬಾ
me.
ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ.
This invoice is, this invoice is sent to me by the dealer's representative. Page 27. Same invoice which learned SPP is now pointing out and trying to state it to have been forged.
Page 37.
Page 27, 27. This is the same invoice. This invoice is sent to me. Yes.
ಈಗ SPP ಅವರೇ ಯಾರು ಫೋರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ is the question. Loss is caused to the government. We will direct investigation to be conducted as to who has done this forgery. Not a problem.
Without the knowledge of beneficiary, it cannot be.
Correct. Whether the
How can it be,
beneficiary or
how
even
can it be? What is this submission? I don't
Hoysala
know.
is not a accused.
No,
He has not borrowed. loan.
Hoysala
He
is
has
not the
paid.
accused. RTO even today, none of the RTOs,
That
none
I
of the
will,
officials.
I will now pass an order.
But
with
this
that.
money has not been transacted. All black. Let him produce the bill for having, kindly say para 5.
ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, how
Para
did,
five.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
Yes.
How did you pay this 3
How did-
crores?
Blood, 2 crores 19 lakhs are paid in bank transfers, and the remaining 1 crore also, blood, I placed material to show that this 1
Cash.
crore cash was
Kindly say para 5.
cash material. Allah, I've been a car dealer detailing. Allah, I've been in this business.
Oh, you are a car dealer yourself, is it?
Not the dealer, detailing, car detailing. With
Oh, car
Shringara
detail.
ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು.
Dealer,
Interiors.
detailer.
Interiors and
Yes,
exteriors.
He categorically says
Blood, all
para
that,
5.
blood, even coming to this document also.
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ತಾಳಿ SPP.
Yes.
Let him finish.
Yes.
Even what documents have been placed today, your lordship specifically asked these questions on the last date of hearing to my learned friend. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಇಡೀ ಫೈಲ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರು, ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರು, ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು 8/2/2026 ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ 8/2/2026
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಫೈಲ್ ತಂದಿದ್ರು, ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರು, ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ you mean to say that is
I don't know. He has to say.
ಅವತ್ತು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ನನಗೆ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ನಾನು ಬಂದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, I will not go beyond that. I will not go beyond that. One document says it is served on my employee.
will not doubt the states.
No, I'm not even saying that. Kindly, I'm not saying.
ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ will not.
ಹೌದು, ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 8/2/26 same day one document copy is served on me. Another document it says that I have refused. How can it be, my lord? Same question, same document, same stage, same day.
ಈಗ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅದು?
ಅದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. No, not this. What the state file just now.
Refuse to sign
Next page, your lordship may kindly see.
and sign and receive. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, down below my signature is shown.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
That is form number
Page-
27, my lord.
Page
27
19.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Page 19.
ಇವರು they have a joint squad when they came to your place.
Yes.
They have drawn ಪಂಚನಾಮ,
Yes,
ತನಿಖಾ ವರದಿ or
Yes.
whatever.
yes.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆ.
Kindly see 19, page 19.
ಅಲ್ಲ 19 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಅಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಟು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Page 19, down below.
ಇದೇನಿದು? ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಕ ನ್ಯೂ ಟೌನ್.
Same date.
ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿರೋದೇ ಅವತ್ತು.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, my employee signature.
ಹೌದು.
In other places, my employee stated to have refused.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅದು that is on the enquiry report.
No, in all the other documents.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Even
all
the
other
tax
documents
demand,
refused to-
tax demand also.
ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೈನ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಮಾಡಿದವರ ಕಾರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಹೌದು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
That the
ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
same
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
person
ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ.
is holding. Blood, I can
Time it
only.
was
I can
What-
only imagine a situation, same person is holding a few documents, he says sign here, he is signing. If he is not signing, if he is refusing, then all pages he must refuse.
Not kindly
Not
see-
all that I am saying is,
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇನ್
even
ಆಮೇಲೆ-
this,
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ?
ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ತರಿಸ್ಬೋದು.
ಆಯ್ತು, let us, Lord, I will take back my words, let us not doubt, Lord, the state. But even then, this page 18 document, it is said to be a tax demand notice. But this tax demand notice can come into existence only after proceedings under section 8A of the Taxation Act. There must be a notice, there must be a reply, there must be a private personal
Taxation
hearing.
Act ಕೊಡಿ. ಅವ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Not, the powers are there.
ಪವರ್ and seizing without notice ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Lord, judgment of this
Sir,
honorable
it
court.
is very rudimentary.
Some natural justice.
It's very rudimentary. Search and seizure comes at a later point in time when he refuses to adhere to the demand that is made. First notice, demand ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ. If you don't pay, we will seize the vehicle and go later.
And I am supported by
You are
judgment of this honorable
putting
court.
the cart before the horse.
My lord, kindly see 27.
ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, 8 years ಸಾಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮೋಟರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್
Like euro.
27A ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 27A.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡದೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಗಾಡಿನ
Yes,
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
where an officer empowered by the state government under section 11A, hereinafter referred to as authorized, has reason to believe that tax payable in respect of any motor vehicle has remained unpaid.
Remain unpaid.
Yes,
So first notice ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, this is the tax that you have to pay, you have not paid, so we will take the vehicle.
remained unpaid.
It is too rudimentary.
Vehicle is, yes, the vehicle only is registered as temporary, so therefore tax is unpaid. Our
Sorry,
documents-
whatever it is,
Lord,
he's not
principles of-
entitled to even a notice?
Principles
What
of
do you
natural
mean?
justice.
Hello, he's not entitled to even a notice? Notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, not.
Lord, he might be able to
Notice
justify.
ಕೊಡ್ದೇನೆ, now it is admitted also.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
Notice ಕೊಡ್ದೇನೆ demand notice
But,
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
appeal lies against that order.
Appeal lies, but ಇವ್ರು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
Not that.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ದೆ ನೀವು ಸೀಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಗಾಡಿನ?
This is
Can it be
precisely
gone
why I
into
said.
separate to petition?
ಏ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಇದು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಪವರ್.
No, I only.
That this is precisely why I said, with both respect to both of the learned counsels, my lord, this tax demand notice of 8/2/26 has come up only now.
Unless, see, first thing is determination of tax. Payable by whom? Notice to that person that this is the tax amount that you have to pay, you have defaulted in payment. Default, not once you can take, default agi, repeated notice ge default admele, you can search the premises, seize the vehicle and go. That is the power, no doubt. But it is too rudimentary to even say that without a notice you can take it away. That's not-
Determination of tax.
Determination
27A.
illa, notice
What
illa,
learned
whatever.
SPP read, not this judgment is precisely on 27A.
I have not issued notice.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
No, no, kindly take my reply, not. My submission is.
No
not-
problem. See, we will not go again. In law, we will write, it's all right. But
Fine.
I thought of getting departmental initiated
My
against him. We
difficulty
will not
not-
do that.
My difficulty now is not, having seen the, not a video conference order, not he has given a complaint now against me.
ಏನಂತ?
Criminal trespass ಆಗಿದೆ, register ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ಒಳಗೋದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡದೆ. First of all,
ಅದಲ್ಲ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ. You entered his garage.
Yes.
You had not
ನಾನು
issued.
ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ. You had entered his garage. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ sir. Entered his garage. No notice is issued to him demanding the tax. No notice is issued to him that if you don't pay the tax, we will come and seize your vehicle. No notice. You ekaeki hogi, you enter the garage and take it away. And definitely criminal trespass aage agutte. You are performing your duty, no problem. That's all right. But that also should be in accordance with law. Otherwise, you can't enter anybody's house like that and take away the vehicle, sir. No, I'm not concerned about the car being Lamborghini or car being Maruti. The thing is that a person who is not authorized in law, except in accordance with law to search and seize, cannot do this. Tomorrow it may be this house, tomorrow it may be another's house. Tomorrow it may be for purpose of tax, it may be for any purpose. How can you allow someone to enter and take it away without notice, sir? That's not permissible at all.
Kindly take my
That's
reply.
why, though this act is definitely contrary to law, but for
Bona fide.
SPP's submission, I'm keeping quiet. not directing departmental inquiry against you. But nonetheless, there is something more than what meets the eye here, qua the RTO office. That should be cleansed.
That I agree. If I have done, yes. I'm not bona fidely I have acted. Because I'm a part of this.
Bona fide alla. You house the Josh and act madadra. Contrary to law agalla.
It is a team.
A team went.
Ade,
Headed by
teammates, whatever. That can't be, you can't act contrary to law. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನೇ ತಗೊಂಡು, you are the complainant, you go, you take the vehicle, go away. No, can't do that.
And also, my lord, learned SPP on the last occasion says here before this honorable court, vehicle is involved in a crime, so we have seized it. Next day, my lord, before the.
He was short informed on the last
sure.
trip
After briefing.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಂದು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
1:30.
Because 2:30ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
So he came in at 2:30.
Because
and
the next day, my lord, learned SPP came next day.
No.
At the 2:30, my lord, on the day, the previous day, my lord, additional
I
SPP.
also told the court, half an hour's briefing I came.
ಹೌದು, correct. No, he was short informed ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. That's all right. But I'll pass on a detailed order
Yes.
tomorrow.
One minute, kindly take my reply.
Oh, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
Page 34. An important document.
Important.
Yes, for this case.
Imported document.
Yes, Lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
Important document, Lord.
Important.
Important document written by Lamborghini, Bengaluru.
Imported document. Yes.
Important. Page 34.
That was referred to, I think, now.
It is in response to the Lord.
ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು.
Your lordship read it.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ SPP ಓದಿದ್ದೆ ಅದನ್ನ.
My instructions
Sir,
are.
you should be afraid of acting contrary to law, but always be courageous to act in accordance with law.
My instructions are, the moment somebody buys a luxury car, my lord, the officials get behind them.
Lord, all the cars,
At test drive.
illa, all the fancy cars go about this way. All the fancy cars without exception.
First demo car. ಆಮೇಲೆ sale
Without exception, they evade tax.
No exception at all.
And moment the notice is out, it goes to UP,
ಇದು
Chandigarh.
ಹಾಗೆ ಡೆಮೋ ಕಾರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೊ
ಸತೀಶ್ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬೋರ್ಗಿನಿ?
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಕಣೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ
Will pass ನಾಳೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
Yes.
Yes. But I will have to observe that it is contrary to law, and those RTO officials or whatever is, will absolve him because it's a teamwork. Departmental inquiry absolution ಅಷ್ಟೇ, not.
We might have to get from the records for your lordship to observe that relevant on the relevant date as to who was there officially a document. If I
Kodi.
just give the names, it may not suffice.
Records ಕೊಡಿ.
Suffice. So the relevant period.
Need the records, yes. ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಿ records ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ.
Yes.
I also place the judgment of the coordinate bench, which says, my lord, without determination of.
Sir, it is too rudimentary, sir. First determination, next notice, you default, then search, then seizure.
Following numerous requests, the complete video of the court hearing is now available, accompanied by a clear breakdown of the issue. In important development before the Karnataka High Court, Justice N. Nagaprasanna put a temporary halt on further investigation related to the seizure of a Lamborghini Huracán Evo. The luxury vehicle was reportedly taken by a senior motor vehicle inspector on allegations of fake registration documents and non-payment of taxes. During the hearing, the petitioner H1 Car Care and its owner told the court that approximately 1 crore had already been paid toward GST and nearly 60 lakh as road tax. It was further submitted that the vehicle had been lawfully registered through the Bengaluru East RTO. The court raised serious concern over the manner in which the car was taken, particularly questioning how an officer could enter a private garage and seize the vehicle, and sought an explanation from the state regarding the legal authority for such action. In response, the special public prosecutor stated that the seizure was linked to a criminal case involving allegations of cheating and forgery. However, the bench pointed out that the RTO officials who approved the vehicle registration were not named in the case. The court also observed that if the seizure was carried out without proper legal backing, the officer involved could be held accountable. The owner was granted permission to approach the jurisdictional magistrate for interim custody of the car, and the matter has been scheduled for further hearing. This case is still unfolding, and I will continue to bring you all the key developments. Until then, have a great day.